Hey guys, hello everyone. Once again, I went out fishing.
I'm already talking to you and I've already got a bite.
I came, guys, to a wild river.
I set up in the lilies.
I think there should be carp here while I was setting up the camera.
Look at this beauty I caught. A little yellow one, such a small crucian, about the size of my palm. But it's really beautiful, seriously. So I set up 2 rods for carp. Here's one, and here's the second one.
I've already baited the spot. I didn't use any store-bought bait at all. I baited with corn and this kind of potato. I boiled some potatoes. The wind is crazy, guys. I don't know. I hope you can hear me.
I boiled some potatoes today. I cut them up. You can see the pieces are about this size. I set up a fishing rod using potatoes as bait.
The second one with corn, peas. Oh, by the way, there are peas here too. Corn, peas. But the peas are split, guys. I didn't have whole peas, so halves will do for bait. But you can't put them on the hook. Well, that's basically the bait mix.
Guys, that's the second Crucian carp in a row. Not big, but look at how beautiful they are. They're just beautiful. Awesome.
Just awesome. If there's a small one, there's definitely a big one too. There's a big carp here. So let's hope for the best. I'll check on the potato bait now, guys. I used to fish for carp before, but honestly, I haven't done it in a long time.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh.
Damn, there was a bite.
Nice, nice. Nice. Look, it's biting here and over there too.
Oh man, wow, what's going on? Both there and here, on both rods at once.
That's awesome. It's like a feeding frenzy. Unbelievable. Look. And there. Whoa. Wow.
Guys, now that's a good Crucian carp.
And this one's just a little Crucian carp.
This is the kind worth catching. Look, what a handsome one. Now that's a Crucian carp.
Golden.
Oh, that's a beautiful Crucian carp. Just beautiful.
Both rods at once. On that one. Damn.
Bubbles are coming up, oh man.
So many bubbles there. It's crazy.
This one's a nicer Crucian carp.
Look at this one, but it won't take potato. Nice. Yellow and black. These Crucian carps are beautiful, guys.
Oh, they're real beauties. And the Crucian carps are biting, and cheburashkas too.
Cool. Look. What are you doing?
Guys, what's going on?
Took it right away. Look at that big Crucian carp. And it took the bait right away.
That's awesome. Just awesome. I put a bigger worm on for him.
I don't know about you, but I'm really enjoying myself today. I was aiming for carp, guys, but damn. But when Crucian carp keep biting one after another, I don't even know. I can't keep up with just one fishing rod. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. On the first cast, and look, what a beauty. We're going bigger. Holy moly, each time the catch gets bigger and bigger. It took the potato. Each time it gets bigger and bigger. I'm shocked. What's going on? What's going on? See how it is? Maybe it's the potatoes that help. Like I said, I didn't add any store-bought ground bait at all today. Exactly, I boiled potatoes, peas, corn, all that kind of stuff. I thought, I won't use store-bought bait, because small fish keep coming all the time. You know how it is? I barely get a chance to do anything anymore. Probably one of them got into the weeds. There are so many weeds here. I spent about an hour and a half clearing them, guys. I cleared out all these weeds. I cleared out a few openings for myself. Wow. Another beast. I'm really enjoying today. I haven't had such good fishing in a long time, guys. It's been a while. And what's more, guys, this isn't a pay-to-fish spot. It's not a pay pond, it's just an ordinary wild river. Look at what I'm already giving him. Slime. Just slime. If only he would let me cast at least a second fishing rod. Guys, look what's happening. Well, I don't know. The bite is so good, it's unbelievable. We haven't had action like this in ages. Look, it's already biting on that rod. It's biting on that rod. Look at what it's doing. One. Got it. Ah, rud. The little rud will be for the kitty. When was the last time you saw a Crucian carp like this? Yellow and chubby. And it's so tasty here. Sweet Crucian carp, just really sweet. The wind is changing. Damn, it blows one way, then the other. Oh man, wow, look. Damn, it laid the float flat on the potato. And nothing happened. Wow. Honestly, I don't like the wind. Guys, on the potato, the float laid flat and then nothing. Wow. It came off with the hook, can you imagine? The Crucian carp ripped the hook off. It was a Crucian carp or a carp, I'm not sure which. No hook. Ripped the hook off. Oh, dang. Oh, guys. Got a Crucian carp, not bad. On potato with corn. Got a pretty decent Crucian carp on potato with corn. I thought it was a carp because it laid the float right over. Carp usually pull the float under, but still. I gave him 2 pieces of corn and some potato. He already ate the potato. I figured it was a carp and thought, here we go. Here it is, I thought.
But no.
Still the same little Crucian carp. Wow. So fat. Oh guys, there's something over there, look. On the potato. I'm getting nibbles, but I'm not sure. Probably another Crucian carp. Well, for now, we keep catching these yellow, wild, beautiful Crucian carp. Subtitles by Dima Torzok. Wow. That's a good one. That's a handsome one. Did you see that bite? It pulled it under. Honestly, I thought it was a carp, but it wasn't. Just another wild one. And I already thought it was a little carp, guys. I thought, could it really be? But damn, it wasn't meant to be. Wow, look at that chubby one. It's small, but so plump. Small but chubby, guys. Golden Crucian carp. It shimmers beautifully in sunlight. What, did you eat my potatoes, huh? With peas? Ah, you little rascal. Ah, you little rascal. I hate the potatoes. And you went for the worm, too. Now that's what I call fishing. He's already pretty plump, a real beauty. Palm-sized, standard. I sometimes catch smaller ones but release them. It swallowed it deep. I don't want to go to sleep. Over there, it's nibbling at the potato bait. Just nibbling.
I already put just a potato without any corn.
And bubbles are coming up. And it's not biting. Will it bite if we use bread? Will it take it? With bread. We should try it. I decided to grab a bite. As they say, hunger waits for no one. And an aunt is not an uncle. The sallow is really good this time. Actually, it's just excellent. Help yourselves, guys. Who wants a tomato? Who wants a cucumber? And the cucumber is homegrown too. I probably forgot the salt. Oh well. I wonder if it'll bite on pork fat. Guys, these fish are really hungry. I think they'll go for almost anything. That's a nice Crucian carp already. Look at it. I sat down to have a snack, guys. I'm having a snack and oh, what a fat one. It bit. There was just a carp coming up, guys. There were some carp bites, but it didn't take the bait. It won't even let me have lunch in peace. 2 fishing rods are set up hoping for a carp. Whoa, got one. Oop.
Nice.
Not a bad Crucian Carp, guys. They're starting to bite. Not a bad Crucian, a real big one. I already had a snack. It finally let me have a snack and the biting has eased a bit. But it's still biting. Guys, something is biting on the potato. It's pulling the float. But it's not getting hooked. Most likely it's also a Crucian Carp biting, but the piece is too big for it. And it's not getting hooked. Let's take a look at our catch, what we've managed to catch together. Wow.
Not bad, guys.
Not bad. A bit bigger, guys, a bit smaller. These are the kind of Crucian Carps we have. They're just gorgeous, seriously. Look at these beauties, yellow ones. Oh, nice. And the Crucian Carp is tasty, probably around 4 or so. Well, guys, I'm leaving basically from the fishing spot. Honestly, I've had more than enough for today. The sazan never started biting. I don't know why. I did everything I could today. Honestly, I did everything I could and tried many different ways. I cleaned everything up. I cleared some openings for myself. He was definitely here, but he wasn't biting. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the heat, or maybe I should try for him in deeper water. Maybe he'll be more willing to bite there. I don't know, guys, I can't say. Tomorrow I'll go again. I don't know if it'll be to this river or another one.
Stay tuned for updates. Something interesting is coming. If you like the fishing, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.
And be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss new episodes.
This was Yevgeny Logutkin. Good luck, guys. Goodbye and see you next time.